What's going on, guys? This is Sam, and just the other day Apple launched a new repair program for the iPhone 7, and I wanted to make this video so that anyone that has an iPhone 7 that has been experiencing this problem that actually was first noticed all the way back in September of 2016 can finally get their device fixed free of charge. There's a couple of important details here. Not every iPhone 7 is affected. There's basically an issue on the iPhone 7 for what Apple says is, quote, a small percentage of iPhone 7 devices, end quote, or even though the cell service in your area or where you are is really good, your phone just will not connect to cell service, and it only affects specific models for the iPhone 7. In China, it's A1660 and A1780. In Hong Kong, Macau, and the United States, including Puerto Rico and the US Virgin Islands, it's A1660, just like in China, and A1779 in Japan. And Apple says you can identify the model number for your iPhone 7. Of course, you can do this through the Settings app, through Settings, General, and About, but you can also do it by looking on the back of your phone. And Apple shows this image where this iPhone 7 could or would be affected by the issue. And the issue was caused by some component on the main logic board failing. We don't know exactly what component it was, but basically there was a manufacturing error where it would cause the phone to not connect to cell service, even though cell service was readily available around the device. So if you've been having this issue, of course you want to contact Apple technical support. They're going to fix the issue for free when you take it into an Apple retail store or an Apple authorized service provider, but carrier partners are not participating in this program. So don't walk into an AT&T, Verizon, T-Mobile, Sprint, at least in the United States, and expect them to fix the issue. They don't have the machinery or capabilities to fix it. You'll want to take it to an Apple authorized service provider or an Apple store. And I also want to point out that Apple has a section on the repair program side. I'll leave this link down below so you can go to it if you've been having the issue, that if you paid for the repair for this issue before the program went live, and it just went live a couple days ago, you can get a full refund for what you paid. And if you don't receive an email by the end of March of 2018 from Apple talking about a reimbursement or offering that money back to you, you can contact them and ask for repayment and reimbursement manually, because it's really not fair that you would have to pay for an issue that can now be fixed for free. If you were affected by this issue, I'd love to hear your thoughts down below. I'm glad to see Apple finally addressing it, because even if it was for a small subset of users, I couldn't imagine dealing with this issue for a long time or having to pay to get it fixed when it wasn't your fault to begin with. So let me know your thoughts on that down below in the comments section. If you enjoyed watching this video, it does help me out if you take just 1 second to drop a like down below, and of course hit subscribe for more videos like this in the future. I've been Sam. I hope all of you are doing great, and I will talk to you in my next video.